I currently have the following accounts through my job: a pre-tax 457, a pre-tax 403B. Both accounts are fully funded for 2021. And I also have a fully funded Roth IRA. Before 2021 ends, I'd like to open a non-deductible IRA, max it out at $6,000, and immediately do a Roth conversion, Backdoor Roth. Am I able to do such a move without getting penalized by the IRS? Well, Ray, unfortunately, you asked us this question on December 5th, and I'm sure this podcast is going to air after the first of the year.
Yeah.
So two things. You already funded a Roth of $6,000. You can't do another IRA of $6,000. It's one or the other.
Right. Yeah. I think a lot of people don't realize that. You can do one or the other, not both. Or any combination, right?
Yeah, you can do $3,000 in an IRA and $3,000 in a Roth.
You sure can.
You could do $3,000 in a Roth and then $3,000 in a non-deductible IRA and then convert it to your backdoor Roth.
You could if you felt so inclined. But I guess I do have a little update even for 2022. Although as we record this show, 2022 is not there. It's not happened yet. However, I will say, as far as the backdoor Roth and mega backdoor Roth, because it does not appear that it's going to pass in 2021, you may still be able to do the backdoor Roth and mega backdoor Roth in 2022, but stay tuned on that one.
A couple of things. He's asking the question, if I do a backdoor Roth, so I do a non-deductible IRA and then I convert it directly into a Roth IRA, can I do that immediately? And the answer is yes.
Agreed.
So you put the money into an IRA and then you convert it the next day. Not a big deal.
Yeah, and for sure you can do that in 2021. Right now, it's appearing...
That's the question he's asking.
Yes.
So that's the question we're answering.
I know, but by the time this is played on the podcast, it'll be 2022. And at the moment, it seems like you may be able to do this in 22 as well.
He's
Stay
not
tuned.
asking if he can do the
I know,
Roth.
but our listeners want to know.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
Actually, we've had a lot of questions about what's going to happen with the backdoor Roth. So I think
Oh, yeah.
probably in 2022, people will be interested.
I don't think we have any clue what's going to happen there.
That I would agree with. Yes.
The question is that he can convert it right away? And the answer is yes. There's no penalty, right? Before, we would think that it needed a season, that you wanted to wait like 6 months before you converted it because it could have been an arm's length or sham transaction and all of that BS. So,
I was just adding color.
Oh, God.
You know, there's another radio show of an advisor that we both know that when he gets a question, he spends about 15 minutes answering everything, just so every listener gets a tidbit, I guess. So I was doing that.
Okay, let's not do that.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.